Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to do some subroutines. We're going to do some flow control and we're going to use the sleep function. So let's start off with the first subroutine, sleep 1. Okay, so this is the first subroutine and print a message. Print message, and that message is going to be sleeping. Okay, and the new line there. Okay, and I'm going to do sleep for 1 second. Okay, and I'm going to call the next subroutine from within this sleep 1 subroutine. So the next one is going to be called sleep 2, which I'm going to do right underneath it. This sleep 2 here we'll call the next subroutine. Sleep 2. Okay. Print simply zzz. Still fast asleep. Okay, and that's going to be sleep for, say, 1 second again. Time interval here is 1 second. Right, so I'm just going to save that. I'm just going to call those 2, so I'm just going to check it. So we're just going to call those 2. So I'm going to start off with calling sleep 1 there. So that's what we're going to do. Just pop that down a little bit there so it looks better. Save that, and then let's run the program. So sleeping zzz. Okay, so far so good. Okay, next function. Oh dear, I've not called it. So call it from within sleep 2. So it's going to be sleep, say 3. Okay, so we're going to call that subroutine. So this is sleep 3, and I'm going to print a message to the user. Print waking up. Okay, waking up, there you go. And sleep, I'm going to give it a 2-second pause this time. Sleep for 2 seconds, and let's just run that, because I like to run my programs. I write a little bit and run a little bit, or else, you know, it's easier because you can figure your errors out as you go along. So let's just run this, shall we? Sleeping and waking up. Okay, so far so good. Right, so we're going to create another subroutine. Say go again. So this subroutine is going to be called go again. So I'll create that right underneath here. Sub, not sun, sub go, not ho. Hey dear, what's happening to me tonight? Sub go again. Okay, so let's just print our user a message. Print, we'll tell them what we're doing. Looping through the subs. I'll call it looping through the subs for short. Okay, and we're going to do sleep. It's going to be for 1 second. And then we're going to call the first subroutine up here. So we're going to loop through, go back and loop through. Okay, so the first one is sleep 1. Sleep 1. Okay, so we're going to call that there. and I'll just save it, and let's run the program, shall we? Okay, so what's happening here? Got a slight bit of an error. Bearwood firmware operator. Okay, let's check this out, shall we? Okay guys, I've just knocked this out here, and the program is running fine. So let's just run that, shall we? Okay, so we've got sleeping, waking up, looping through the subs, sleeping, waking up, looping through the subs, sleeping, waking up. So you can see how the flow control is working there. We're going from one function to the other function, and then when we get to looping through the subs function here, which is go again, it takes us back up to sleep 1 function up here because we call it, and it takes us back there, and we keep going through it, and we'll be going through it until the end of time. But I'm just going to click that off at the moment. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.